I really love my Jumper T16, except for one thing. You have to take the battery pack out to charge it. And you can't take the batteries out very easily. Then you have to remove the batteries to put them in a charger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 2-cell battery balancer using your Lipo Charger. Stay tuned. If you like this video, hit subscribe. I'd appreciate it, and a thumbs up or a like would be awesome. So what we need to do now is size our cables. I'm going to use the XT60 connector and get that wired up. I personally think the XT60 connector is probably the most versatile, easy to use. I prefer to buy the XT60s with the cover, the little wire protector. What I'm using here is a 2-cell balance plug. And some handy solder and seal connectors. So the first thing you want to do is connect your ground wires together. That's on the XT60 side and the balance plug with the ground wire on the other side. You also need to connect the middle wire, which will be your balance wire, with the balance wire on the opposite end. So think of that middle wire as just being the one all by itself. No power, no ground from your XT60 connector. Okay, after I wire a harness like this together, I like to pull out my trusty multimeter and make sure all the connections are soldered correctly and I'm getting the conductivity that I'd expect. I'm testing both the positive and the ground and the middle balance wire. Okay, with that wired up, instead of having to remove the batteries, I can just connect my 2-cell balance wire, my XT60 charging port, and the balance plug in my charger. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.